as a team lead, as a business owner, your mindset how should be like very simple, sir. This is the best example you have to aware. Then automatically you are the real leader. If you are going to implement in reality, a person came, a person came feeling very hungry. Can you please provide the food? Okay, like a person came. Don't give fish to that person. Don't give fish to that person. Okay, don't give the food to that person. So you have to teach to that person how to catch fishes. Observe that. ఎవడన్నా ఆకలితో వస్తే ఒక చేప ఫిష్ పెట్టి ఆకలి తీర్చుకొని చెప్పొద్దు. చేపలు పట్టడం ఎలాగో మనం నేర్పాలి. We have to teach that person how to catch fishes so that even that person is going to feel hungry. Next time, he had the system, he had the solution, he never going to approach you. Getting the point? It's a wonderful saying
Yes.
in Telugu. Wonderful saying in Telugu. అరే ఇవిడ నాకలతో వస్తే వాడికి చేప పెట్టొద్దు, చేపలు పట్టడం ఎట్లా నేర్పించరా బాబు అంటారు. దిస్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ కామన్ సేయింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఇఫ్ యూ అప్లై దిస్ వన్ at the business level, you will completely free from the system. Okay, you removed no dependency on you. You are going to get freedom, so that that free time, that energy, happily you can use on higher level activities. So wonderful. So the first point is don't solve the problems, design solutions. Okay, like